Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Trendiest Mesmerizing, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women you see in this video. Different ideas of haircut, trendy collection of hairstyling, the eye-catching ideas of hair dye, and many much more stylish and trendy ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous, you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. These ideas of collection of low maintenance hairstyle, fine hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling, messy hairstyle, spiky hairstyle, mostly ideas in low maintenance hairstyle, in messy hairstyle and spiky hairstyle. Different ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cuts. Some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut, and eye-catching ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas funky colors, and different ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and many much more ideas of hairstyling, hair dye and haircut in low maintenance for girls, for women, for mature women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, so please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video, and please fully support me, support my channel. So thank you so much for watching. Take care and bye bye.